All right, audio should be fixed. Ah. I'm gonna have the Discord on this side now, on my left. Good morning. Mine was good. How was yours? Kind of took this weekend as like a rest weekend. It was well needed. It was well needed. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Sometimes you need those days. Dude, I want to see if we're going to continue higher. I'll explain my bias for you in a sec. Dollar sign, dollar sign. Here, I'll explain it real quick for you, S. All right, look. Remember on Friday? Look at Friday. We came to the first presented fair value gap. Same thing over here on the hourly time frame. Came to the first presented fair value gap in this order block, reacted off of it, and continued higher, took out all-time highs, right? I want to see if we're going to get the same thing today. Two fair value gaps from the hourly time frame. Can we come into the first presented fair value gap into this order block, get a reaction off of it, right? If you look at the 5 minute, we've already formed a 5 minute SMT after sweeping this hourly / 4 hour low, right? It's an hourly low on ES, it's a 4 hour low on NASDAQ. We already formed a 5 minute SMT, we formed a new hourly high, and we have a 4 hour high, which is all time highs above. If we're going to continue higher, which the overall higher time frame is bullish, this should be the spot. But if we end up coming down by 10 a.m. and we inverse this gap, right, and we just close below these draws, then I'll be looking for shorts to come down and take out this daily low, which would be down here. So that's my overall mindset right now. So I really want to see 10 a.m., but I want to see where, so now we're setting up to have, we formed an SMT off this. I'd wait for a 5 minute break of structure, wait for the, let's get onto the lower time frames, wait for confirmation, and then go from there. But the leading index to the upside right now is ES, so I'd like to see a 5 minute break of structure since we have a 5 minute SMT. Out of that first presented hourly fair value gap, right, which is right here, schmackerdoodle, bang, out of here, and then continue higher. And we're also sweeping out this 4 hour low / hourly low. So we shall see, okay? All right, but another thing is if we just inverse this hourly gap, we close below these draws in liquidity, we form this hourly fair value gap, I'd like to see something like this and continue to the downside. Whoops. You know? And then we should just flush straight through this. But we'd have to inverse this gap. But this could be another reaction off of, we can react off of here. But if we're going to go through this area, we're going to react to this area with force. And we're just going to go straight down, in my opinion. So we'll see. We shall see. J. Cole? What's up? What's up? Oh, we got G in here too. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? That makes sense for you, S? Yeah, we'll see. If not, if it just looks like it's gonna chop, probably not gonna take a trade. So we'll find out because it is No News Monday. Last week I was so anxious. I noticed that after watching it. So I'm just gonna try and come in with a calm mindset this week. And just fucking trade, baby. Just trade. I don't care how close my accounts are to what, to this, to that. How many accounts we have. I don't care. I just want to trade well. And all that stuff will come by itself. Yep. It's emotions, baby. We make this like thing up in our brain that it's like we're at a part that's so stressful and it's just really not. It's the same shit. It's the same shit. We'll be okay. Oh. Move this up a little bit. Do that. Turn my camera on and off. Holy shit. Discord up there. We should be good. I added that new section to the Discord too, guys, where Trump's alerts from True Social should come in, but I think it's a little bit delayed, I'll be honest. So, gotta still figure that out. Maybe we want to get a little retrace. One thing I'm going to focus on too this week, guys, is letting my freaking trades play out. And I said this a million times, and that's why we did that March thing. But I got to trust my draws. Stop taking partials early, man. All right, 2 minutes. Make sure copy traders are on. If you're copy trading, make sure on the right accounts. Make sure on the right position size. Double, triple check that all the time, every single day. I know it gets annoying when I say it, but I'm telling you, I've blown accounts like that, made mistakes like that. It ain't fun. It ain't a good way to start off your day. Come on, phone. All right, let's see this market open, baby. Here we roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Holy shit. All right, ladies, chat is going to be closed for a little bit. I'm going to hear the beeps and the noises, though. So if somebody's got something, type it and save it, baby. Wow. Wow. That's why we never trade market open. We came down, we took out that draw. NASDAQ. What time is this at? This is at 7 p.m., right? Yep. See if we can form another 5-minute SMT. Pretty sure this might be equal lows now, too. Those look like equal lows. Or probably want to continue lower. Yeah, those are equal lows. Okay. I'm gonna stay patient here. We formed equal lows on ES. I want to see if we want to come up and grab this 15-minute. It's gonna be interesting. What up, D Blicky? Look at ES pump. Wow. Excuse me. Dude, I wonder if we're going to want to continue lower out of all this. I'm serious. But right now I got to wait a little bit. We didn't form that 1-minute SMT off the 15-minute high. We do have equal lows on ES, though. That's why I think we're going to continue lower. People are probably going to take this right here. It's coming to equilibrium. No, it didn't. Wonder what that trade would be. Probably a big stop. 58-point stop. That's a big take profit though, dude. Yes, broke structure to the upside on the 5-minute. Staying patient. ES is showing me wants to continue higher. NASDAQ showing me wants to continue lower. I wonder what that would be like, dude. Here we go. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle closure on ES. I want to see if we inverse that 15-minute for value gap, break structure to the upside in the 15-minute. NASDAQ still showing me wants to continue lower. I'm just to stay patient right now. I want to see what happens if we sweep out this hourly high. It's all ES is all the way up here. And we still have those equal lows, dude. We have equal lows on ES. Now we have equal highs too. Cool. NASDAQ showing he wants to continue lower, man. NASDAQ inverse that gap. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle closure. I'm gonna stick with that. I got 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Wing Wong. Just gonna fucking set a trade. No! There you go, NQ. What up, Wing Wong? So we have equal highs now and equal lows on ES. It's cool. Both markets are not correlated, so when they're not correlated, I stay the F away, dude. I stay away. Oh, dude, if we break structure downside in the 4-hour time frame too, I'm going for these draws right here. I'm going for them if we get there. You know what I didn't mark out though, which might have been a mistake. Let's see this. Oh, we got New York low down there. London session lows. We didn't inverse this 15-minute gap. Dude, we might want to continue lower. Did we take out that hourly high? I don't think so. We didn't, dude. I think we want to go lower. What do you want to do? NQ looks like doo-doo. ES looks like doo-doo also. We got equal highs and equal lows. Me. What was that? Oh my god! Wow! Wow! Guys, we might continue lower. But we have equal highs now on ES though. That's the only problem. What the fuck was that? Let me check True Social. Hold on. No, he didn't do anything. Dog. I want to see if ES breaks structure and inverses. It didn't break structure, but it inversed this gap. I think we're going to continue lower, dude. You might want to. But I got to hold. I got to have to hold. For 200 points? Yo. No. Oh, this is going to be a hard one. If we start moving, we're going to start moving. That's the only thing. And I want NASDAQ in this case because it's the leading index. But I still don't like how we have equal highs on ES, to be honest. Can switch around pretty quick. I think we might dump, guys. I think we might dump. What would stop us? Pretty much nothing. I need a retracement into something. We already took all these out on NASDAQ. I just don't like equal highs. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Price action's scary. See if we inverse this 1 minute to the upside. No. Wow. "43 seconds and we form a 5 minute. Wow. Yeah, we have those equal highs above, man. The ES looks like it wants them. So that's why you wait. We came down, took out the equal lows. Now we want the equal highs. No way. No way. No way, mate. I'm staying patient here right now. This hourly closes in 4 minutes to a 10 a.m. closure. This is crazy. It's like choppy, but it's like in a big range. Like this ain't a small range. 18 points on ES. That's a little crazy. So I guess we're gonna form another 5-minute S&T off of this hourly low again. This hourly low. How's everybody doing so far? We're doing good? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm sorry I had the good shit, yes. I have the chat cut, guys, so again, if I don't answer right away, don't think I'm ignoring you. I mean, if we're gonna look to take a trade to the upside, I'd really like this 15-minute to be our break even, because that's gonna be right by the hourly for a value gap that's about to form. It's the only thing, though. Like, this is hard. Now we form equal highs on NASDAQ. Shush, shush. Shush, shush. We're probably going to react out of this 5-minute and take out these equal highs. But that's not worth taking to me, because we have so many fair value gaps we can retrace into. If I wanted this and we get a bullish reaction out of it, my stop loss would have to be somewhere around here, and the risk to reward is not good. So that just would make me comfortable to take the trade. So I'm going to wait on that. I'm fine with missing that, because this would have to be my break even anyway. Now we form this hourly bearish on NASDAQ. Equal hourly highs above. Like whack. 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 We didn't even break structure on the hourly either. Did we inverse this gap? No. We know he swept out this hourly low. Alright, I'm going to X that out for now. We know he swept that out. This is a new hourly low. We swept that Asian session low. We swept that an hourly low on NASDAQ. Keep that in mind. I'm going to keep that in mind. I'm going to keep that in mind. I would really like to come into equilibrium here. This is hard because we're gonna have an hourly gap up here. This shit ain't easy, though. I might not even trade today, dude. We're respecting this 4-hour gap too. We didn't inverse this hourly. We did break structure to the downside up here though. Didn't break structure on the 5-minute yet on NASDAQ. We did on ES. We've equal highs on ES. We've equal highs on NASDAQ. I would expect these equal highs to get taken. That's what I would expect. That help you out, the equal highs? Thanks for pointing out the equal highs. Yeah, did that help you reduce your loss? Yeah. It's just hard. When you have equal highs and equal lows, it's like, it's a strong draw for price to trace into, right? So you never really want to be against it. I mean, sometimes it doesn't even come down to take it. The market's going to do whatever the hell it wants. But like, it just, I don't like trading against that. As you can see, we came down, we had that giant wick down, took out those equal lows, and now we have equal highs, and now we're coming back up, which is crazy, because I thought we were going to continue lower too, dude. So, I don't know. This is tricky, this stuff right now. It still can, dude. We still haven't broke structure on the 5, but now we have equal highs on NASDAQ and ES. That's the only thing. We have 5-minute equal highs right here. If I wanted to be short, I would really love for an ES to come up and sweep out this hourly high, because NASDAQ hasn't yet. NASDAQ could have to come up all the way over here. And I'd love to see a 5-minute S&T form off of that or something, you know? Like, that would make me comfortable to take shorts. But again, the market could do whatever it wants. Don't listen to me. I ain't a fucking wizard. Ah! Ah! Alright, look, 1-minute S&T is about to form. If we form this 1-minute S&T, these equal highs are probably going to get wankered. But the same thing here. If I wanted to go long, my stop loss have to be all the way down here, dude. Ah, oh, that's a pickle. 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 Yep. Yep. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. I'll paper trade it. Paper trade. Let's act like we had... Maybe if I put my stop right here or something. But that's too close for me. Maybe equilibrium, like 46 points, give it some room to run. If I were to really take this trade, I'd want it here. It's still coming to equilibrium. We never broke structure to the downside, formed a 1 minute SMT. Equal highs above. I'm just not even gonna think of anything right now, actually. I'm not even gonna think of a paper trade, nothing. I'm just gonna sit on my hands and not do shit. She's gonna stay away. Okay. Peace out, Mr. T Long. Sounds good, yeah. Sounds good. P, don't think like that. Not shoulda, coulda, woulda. Not shoulda, coulda, woulda. This 5 minute is holding strong on ES. What are we doing? What are we doing? This is an interesting world. Did we inverse this 5? We didn't. Dude, we're just gonna skyrocket up to these equal highs. Watch. We're coming into equilibrium, so let's see. We're coming into equilibrium. We still have those equal highs. We have equal highs on NASDAQ also. Equal 5 minute highs. Right? Yep, equal 5 minute highs. See if we inverse this shit. What would this be? Oh, come on! Come on! Might be worth it, dude. It might be worth it. It might be worth it. Could be 36 points. This could be my break even right here. 1 to 3.2. Ah! 144 risk it would be. 144 risk it would be. Per account. Oh, we did it! We're gonna retest this and see if we go. Do I want to do it? Do I want to do it? Do I want to do it? Paying attention to ES. ES, my inverse is bullish gap.
Order filled. Order filled.
Why is it giving me a fucking... I'm gonna go for it. I don't want this fucking... I'm gonna go for it. Equal highs are gonna be my break even. And I'm gonna go for this hourly. See if I get smacked or not. I'm gonna go on 2 micros. This will be my break even. This will be my first take profit, and this will be my final take profit, that hourly high above. The first take profit to be 27,473. 27,437. 24,7,437. Why is it? Don't show this again. There we go. And then final TP would be the hourly high above. 27,500. I'm gonna dabble with it. Came in a 5-minute equilibrium. We have equal highs above. We have 15-minute high we could target for first take profit. Fuck it. No! Don't do it. Don't do it. Keep us alive. Keep us alive. Keep us alive. If I take this L today, I might just not trade anymore. Because again, it is tricky right now. But I'm going to attempt it because we have equal highs above. I'm going to attempt it. I just don't want to get stop rated here. That's the only thing. I want to have a short stop. Nothing crazy. But the only thing I don't like is ES inverse this 5-minute gap. That's the only thing. So, we'll see. We'll see. I'm in on NASDAQ. What time is this at? 10:11? 10:11? All right, ES took out this low. Can we form a 1-minute S&T off of this here? Can we form a 1-minute S&T off of this here? No, we didn't. We formed a 1-minute bearish. Let's see if we can inverse that. If we inverse that, I'm going to like this. If we don't and we respect it, we're going to get stopped out. And that'll be my trade for the day. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Be right. Uh-oh. 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 Yeah, that's not good. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Survive. 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 Alright, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. Survive. Be protected low. Be protected low. Fight it. 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 Nah. You stink. This will probably be my only trade for the day. We'll see. Let's see if we can survive it or not. Let's see if we can survive it or not. I feel like a big Diddy candle's coming to the downside. Come on. Come on, mate. Let's go. Let's go. Survive. 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 Push. 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 These Mondays, man, they've been getting me. Inverse that gap, and we're going to be looking good. Inverse that gap, and we'll be looking good. No. We're so close to our stop. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know you want it. I know you want it. Break structure and inverse this gap. Break structure and inverse this gap. Keep us in. Keep us alive. Keep us alive. Break structure and inverse that gap. Keep us alive. Keep us alive. Let's be a protected low. Let's go. Keep us alive. Keep us alive. Keep us alive. This is where we need you. I don't like that. Come on. Keep us alive. Keep us alive. Don't switch up on us. Boo! Up, up, up. Skyrocket, up. We've equal highs. Come on. We've equal highs. We've equal highs. Let's go. Equal highs. Let's see, this might be the one. What's good is we're on our 100K account, so we're not risking much. All right, let's see if this is it. Might get stopped here. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped here. Let's see. Holy shit. What do you want here? What do you want here? You're playing at equilibrium. You're playing at equilibrium. Don't do us dirty like that. I wonder what this would be right here. 265. I'm gonna watch ES take those equal hourly highs, and then we'll determine our second take profit. If we can get there. If we can get there. I see 20 messages. We'll see. This is our, we have equal high. Like we saw the opportunity. We came down into 5 in equilibrium. We inversed that fair value gap. We're playing around at equilibrium. We have equal highs above on both indexes. Like, it's either Monday price action stinks buns or it plays out. And my break even is going to be those equal highs. We're like right there. Right there. Don't you dare. No, come on. We're right there. Oh, we were right there. I wanted that gap to get inversed. Oh, you stink. Give me a nice big candle to the upside. A giant one. A giant one. All the way up to all-time highs. Alright, soldiers, let's see if this is it. Let's see if this is it. Let's see if this is it. Let's see if this is our fate. These trades stink when it's just edging you, and goes back up, break even, come back down, edge you, break even, edge you, break even. We've been here before. Come on, buyers. Step in. Step in. If we can get a solid bullish candle closure out of this move right here after this, because again, we have another 1 minute bearish fair value gap and we inverse both of them, then we'll be looking good. But if we come back down and we get a bullish candle and then we respect this, I'm going to expect it to get hit. Right here, see this? If we get a bearish candle closure out of this, we're probably going to get stopped out. But if we inverse both of these and break structure to the upside, yeah, this is what we don't want. Yeah. That's what you don't want. You want a bullish candle closure out of there. You don't want a bearish candle closure like that out of there. Yeah. It didn't close bearish, but I don't like that candle closure. Yeah, I know. It's just Monday price action. Again, we expect it. I didn't even risk a lot on this one because we're on the 100K accounts. I went in 2 contracts, so we're risking around like 150 per account or something like that. I'm fine with that if it goes, but it's going to be my one trade of the day because I don't like this price action. But we're already in the trade, so there's nothing we can do now. I really thought those equal highs were going to get taken. And they still can. They still can. But alright, that doesn't look good. This is where we might get hit, actually. Those candle, yeah, here we go. Here we go.
Stop filled.
Fuck you! Alright. That's probably it for me today. I'm on a losing streaker. I lost 168 per account on that one. Damn, dude. Equal highs? Really? Equal highs. Yeah, I don't think anything's patched. It's just the market. It's just the market. See, now ES is in a... Yeah, did we break? No, we didn't break. Now we're going to break structure on the 5 minute. I don't know, maybe we want to continue lower now, which stinks, but that's surprising to me. Equal highs, man. On both indexes. Crazy work. Crazy work. And now we're just going to want to dump. Makes no sense. Makes 0 sense. Mi familia. Makes no sense, ladies. Yeah, maybe they do. Maybe they do. Yeah. Excuse me. I don't know, man.
Order cancelled.
Jeez, you want to get any louder? I don't know, man. Equal highs on both indexes. ES has them over here on the freaking hourly time frame. I don't know, man. It's a 9:30 high too. Some crazy work. It's probably gonna liquidate us, and then it's gonna continue higher and just take all this out. Watch. No, yeah, Mondays are usually booty. Look, now ES is going to break structure to the downside. I don't care about your referral program. You stink. You suck. Alright, we're still not going to break structure to the downside in the 5-minute time frame. Like, why? Why? And we're still respecting equilibrium? What? And then we're gonna pump. And then we're gonna pump. Look at this bullshit. Bullshit. Bullfishnit. Where are you, equilibrium? Alright, I'm gonna go commit suicide. What is that? You were in that? Dude! Don't tell me that! Alright, well, at least the fucking trade was probably gonna be correct, dude. Wow. That's just part of trading, which sucks, but that's just part of it, dude. That's nuts. That's nuts. Yeah, for real. For real. That. That sucks. Guys, hold on a second. I know we have equal highs here. Just give me a second here. Just give me a second here. I'm gonna look for one little more setup rate real quick, and then I'm gonna shut up. If this setup doesn't present itself, I'm done for the day. I want to see if we form a 5-minute SMT off this hourly high now. And continue lower to this New York session low. I'll follow my rules, I'll follow my risk, but again, it's the last setup I'm going to look for. It's got to be clear. It's got to be A+. I wonder if the 11 a.m. macro we're going to continue lower. That's my quick little idea for the day. If you guys don't think the market's manipulative and freaking doesn't hunt you, yeah. Look at this shit. We'll see. I want to see if we wanted to take out that equal high and continue lower. NQ still bearish on the 5. Listen, this is a day where we took a loss already. We can identify if we want to take a trade or not. If we do, we followed our risk, we followed our rules. That's it. It's Monday. We got geezered. But I'm not going to let that wreck my mood. All right, we didn't break structure on the 5-minute still on NASDAQ. Let's see if we form a 5-minute SMT off of this hourly high. And then I'm going to hold always to this 15-minute in New York slash. Is that a 4-hour low? No, it's an hourly low. We might. Oh, never mind. Can we form a 5-minute SMT? This is ass. If we end up taking this trade and I post it and we lose on it, first thing people are going to say on social media, shorting at all-time highs? You don't know what you're doing. So I hope this is a banger. No, I don't, P. Sometimes it gets annoying, though. To be honest. Yeah, it's either found on the right or the wrong side of bed. Wing Wong, you took the same trade? I like that trade, dude. We had equal highs above, too. We racked it off equilibrium. I felt good, too. It felt good. And that's why I'm not upset about it at all. It's just trading, man. I think our risk was good. We let it play out. That's all we could do. That's all we could do. That's all we could do. You know what's going to be interesting, though? We have a minute left. Let's see if we form an SMT. There you go. Yeah, it looks like we're not going to form a 5-minute SMT, so it looks like we're going to want to continue higher here. No 5-minute SMT. Now if we want to break structure, it's going to have to be here. Ah, lordy. Where was our long here? Our long was here. It was below this low. It was a small risk. Whoop. Peace out, peace out. Alright, I got murdered again on a No News Monday. Yeah. Small loss on my 100K accounts on the new ones, but again, we're in some drawdown on them now. I really wanted those equal highs. We had equal highs on NASDAQ on the 5-minute time frame, and then we had these equal highs on ES that ended up getting taken out, which I was looking at on ES, so yeah. But again, I posted in the Discord, we're down around $800-something right now in the day. That was the trade that was taken. Didn't play out. Is what it is. Probably going to be done for the day. And we'll see what happens. That's pretty much it. But shitty price action. Not going to blame price action because I did take a trade on a No News Monday, but we de-risked a little bit on these 100K accounts. And we're going to see what happens. All right. Peace out. Guys, I just might be done for the day. I don't like this price action. As much as I want to take a trade again to the downside, but this price action's buns. Buns. Excuse me. buns. Hey, we gave it a shot though with the small stop loss. But like I said, when we entered that trade, I wanted my stop loss to be down here, but that was too much. But we gave it a shot to the upside with minimal risk. And it's still probably going to frickin' play out because we still have these equal highs above right here. We have equal 5-minute highs right there. Crazy. Crazy. Now do we have equal lows again too on frickin' ES in the 1 minute? Oh my god. Yeah, 11 a.m. macro is probably a good one. I'll see what happens. This is the, like, listen. This is what I'm going to look for. And that's it. I really want to see how this 15-minute candle closes off of this hourly high. And then go from there, dude. But there's just probably, because of Trump with all this shit right now, there's probably a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. That's probably why it's doing this. Not the best month, but we're still up. Equal highs, you'll probably cut it. I mean, that's up to you. It could also be a break-even level if you want. And let it ride. You're probably right, Wing Wong. I'm gonna post this one on social media on purpose. And I'm gonna let people flame me. Why are you taking a trade on a Monday? Why are you shorting all-time highs? Why are you taking a trade to the upside on freaking all-time? It's just, there's always something. There's always something. Why are you gonna take a inverse fair value gap? Be a scalper. How about you lick my anus? I shouldn't say that. That's on YouTube. Yeah, ICT isn't real. I don't even say I trade ICT. I say I trade smart money concepts. Smart money concepts. Listen, dude, if you know it all, why aren't you a billionaire? Why aren't you a multi-gajillionaire? Peace out. Peace out. Really, Wing Wong? You think with this barcode price action we can order something like on Uber Eats or something? We're coming into this 5-minute bullish fair value gap, S. This could be a spot where we continue higher right now if we want to. This would be it. Why did ChatGPT send me money? Doesn't make any sense, but I'll take it. I got $20 from ChatGPT. Fuck with me. Guys, we have 5 minutes to this 15-minute candle closure. Are we gonna dump for the 11 a.m. macro? If we get in a trade, I don't even care what I say or what I see. I'm holding it till New York low. Mark my words. Mark my words. It's a party up in here. Oh, 11 a.m. macro, show me something. Or else I'm walking away. I'm not going to let you take my money. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle closure. If we don't get a 15-minute fair SMT off of this, I'm going to cut it for the day and take my loss. But if we form a 15-minute S&T, I'll consider it. You from the Glades? I see you. What is that? I don't know what that is, Wing Wong, but I'm gonna agree with you. S, you still in your trade? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. The country, Everglades. Oh, I know what Everglades are. I didn't know what Glades meant. Listen, I'm a little slow. Oh. You got 1 minute. 1 minute coming into this. All right, 21 seconds. Listen, I like that trade we took personally. I would take that again. So, I just think since it's Monday, we got caught up in the Monday price action. All right, Peter. You want to form a 15-minute SMT off of a freaking hourly gap? Let's go. Let's do some work here. Let's do some work here. I already got stopped out on a long. A long seemed good too, man. I mean, it's just the only thing is, it's just consolidation right now. It stinks. You know? But you see what you see, you take. You gotta trust yourself and your system. There you go. Yeah, this price action is boring this morning, but I really want to see if the 11 a.m. macro is going to turn up. Can you give me a little something? Let's get a break of structure in a 5 minute. Yes, we could target all these draws, because NASDAQ already took them out, but I really want to target this New York low on NASDAQ if we get there. Just because the 15-minute SMT off of an hourly high Did we form an hourly S&T off an hourly high? Oh no, we didn't. Yeah, it opened, but it doesn't mean it has to move right away. Yeah, I need to see a 5-minute break of structure on on ES. And it looks like we're gonna freaking get it. I would love this 15-minute low on NASDAQ to be our break even. So we've got 56 seconds on the 5-minute time frame on ES. We'll get a 5-minute break of structure and a 5-minute inverse fair value gap with a 15-minute S&T off of an hourly high. What do you want? We'll see. We didn't inverse it yet. It's looking like it. Then both markets will be correlated on the 5-minute. NASDAQ's bearish on the hourly on compared to ES. All right, let's see. Let's see if we just start dumping. I need a retrace. I need a retrace. I need one. What would this be? A 34-point stop? Oh my god, that would be like insanity. That'd be insanity if that happened. Yes, took this 1030 low though. That would be insanity. I'm not in it. I'm just marking. Imagine 215-point banger. It just seems too good to be true. Oh, don't make me do this. Don't make me do this. What's 34 points? $136 plus $168, $304 per account on a 100K account. Oh, Lord. I think we're gonna dump. I think we're gonna dump. I might do it, dude, and follow my rules and stick to my system with my risk and everything. And if it doesn't play, it doesn't play. No way. I'm waiting for a bearish candle closure. We didn't get that. I ain't in it. Still ain't in it. That's why you stay patient right there. Yeah, we're sweeping this 15-minute low. Wow. That would be a banger. Guys, I might do it. We didn't break. Never mind. I might not do it. This is hard, dude. Again. 11:09. 11:09. I mean, we got a candle closure out of equilibrium. I'm looking for a bearish equilibrium. I'm not looking for bullish equilibrium. We came into equilibrium, but I want that break of structure to the downside. We never broke structure to the downside, though. Now we're gonna. Alright, we broke there. But we've already been bearish. 78 points after moving like this all day, man. It'd be a 31-point stop. $124 per account. We could. This could be break even down below. This should have been my entry. Can I get one more confirmation? Can I get one more? Can I get one more? Ugh. Can I get one more? Probably not. This would be my break even down here, this 15-minute low. And then I'd let it rock. It's just, yeah, this chop's ass. This chop is ass. But once we start moving down, we're going to start moving down. It's going to suck, but we're not going to be in it. But we took this 15-minute low. We formed a 5-minute S&T off of that. But we have a 5-minute fair value gap above. Yeah. Let's see if we can respect bearish confluence again with equilibrium here on the 1 minute after we form this. This is hard, man. I mean, my gut's telling me just to fucking not do anything here. I don't know if it's because I already took a loss, but I really don't care about that loss, so I'm gonna be honest. I could just see all this getting taken out too. This is all low resistance draws right here. We know we have that 15-minute S&T. This 5-minute high, it's 1105, 1105 high. Did we take that on ES? We took it. One minute S&T and we respected equilibrium after sweeping a 5-minute high. $24-point stop. gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck it. Let's see if I get raped or not. I'm gonna do a smaller stop. Let's do 31 point stop at 27,374. 27. $374. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see if I get entered on the freaking bottom part of this move. Let's see. I'm gonna put no take profits. The only thing I don't like too is we can come up into that hourly gap, but I'm gonna pay attention to ES taking out these draws down below, like this hourly Asian session. Then I'm gonna go break even. We're just gonna let it ride. Because I don't have trailing drawdown on these accounts. We formed an SMT, a 1 minute SMT from that 5 minute high. We came to the 5 minute fair value gap. We have draws down below. We'll see. We'll see. I've already taken a loss on the day. We'll find out. We'll find out. We'll find out. I see something, I'm going to take it. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. But this is shitty price action, I'll be honest. So, it's the only thing. See if I get gypped here. I don't like how we're stalling right here too. This is gonna be my break even. This is gonna be my break even. And I'm gonna go for hail. When will the minimum balance of 2,500 go into effect for live retail? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Let's see if I get gypped on this. I would have liked flush movement already, but we swept a 5 minute high, dude, so now we don't have that 5 minute SMT anymore. I would expect this to continue lower. I really would. Alright, we're taking out this 15 minute low. This could be a spot where we start reversing. So 67. I'm gonna put it at 67. Alright, we're taking out hourly, we're taking out this Asian. Let's see if we get a sharp reversal here. I don't want a sharp reversal here. I want to pump through this. I want to pump through all this because NASDAQ already took out this stuff on ES. I want to see if we could pump straight through this, dude. I would really love to. Really love to. It's the first time I've seen green today. But this might be a spot where we start pumping higher. We'll see. I'm risking 24 points as of now. If we inverse this 1 minute bearish, I'm going to exit the trade. But if we can come up and respect it, I would love that. But we didn't hit my break-even level yet. This is a spot where we could definitely reverse. We took out Asian session lows on ES, and we took out a 15-minute low. These dogs. I just don't want to get a sharp reversal right here. I want price to freaking dump. I want it to dump. I want it to just dump. I want you to dump. If we inverse this gap, I'm out. I'm out. We want to respect this right here. We want this to be respected. What, 945 low we've already taken out too on ES? 945 low. That's this low. That's our break even low. Can we come for it? And can we let it rock? Can we come for it and let it rock? 15-minute SMT off an hourly high. Come on. Let's go. We're a little bit ballsy today, but it's okay. I want a deep retrace. I want a deep retrace. All the way down. Is it possible? Is it possible? My stop loss is at 67. I'm going to reduce risk on this, but I'm going to let this run. If we inverse this gap, I'm out. If we break structure and inverse this gap, I'm out. That's it, if we do. I'm going to pay attention to this 5-minute too, because if we form a 5-minute SMT off of this low. The 945 low. 945, right? Yep. That's this 15-minute low right here. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we break structure on the 1 minute. I'm not going to like it if we are. Alright, we broke structure on the 1 minute. If we inverse this fair value gap, I'm out if we stay in by then. If we stay in by then. We might get tagged out here. Let's see. I'm at break even-ish. Let's see if buyers start stepping in here. Oh my God, you're gonna do that to me? You're gonna do that to me? You're gonna do that to me? Oh my God. You're gonna do that to me? Let's see, I'm still in. I'm still in. Can this be the new lower high in the 1 minute? Yes, inversed it, dude. We still didn't inverse it yet. I'm not liking this right now. We're about to form a 5 minute SMT too off of this. Yeah, I might cut this. See if we inverse it. Still holding. This is going to be equilibrium level, so it's not looking too hot. Yeah, it ain't looking too hot. I think I'm going to cut this, guys. Oh, well, shit. I can cut this at a $50 loss. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. Yep.
Order cancelled.
I cut it. I'm going with it. As much as I don't want to, I'm going to reduce the loss on that one. I'm going to end it there for today. Much as I wanted to, but actually, is there someone that makes these markets that we can associate? Yeah, talk to the president. All right, well, I took an L on that one again too, so this was my stop. I don't know. Maybe I should have cut it for the day, but I'm just gonna cut that trade and just take it on the chin with that one. I'm gonna regret this if this fucking just dumps, but I don't know. It's not looking good. We formed a 5 minute SMT. We have all this low resistance draws above. We have an hourly fair value gap above that we could trace into. If we wanted to dump, we would have dumped where we entered. But I'm gonna reduce my risk on the day with that and be done with that. I think. I'm definitely done. Not I think. I'm definitely done because that's my rules. But on that second trade, I think we lost around $60 per account or something. Let's see. $71 per account. It's all right. 168 plus 71. We lost 240 per account. Oh my god. You're joking. You're joking. You're joking. You're joking. Second trade probably was the best, but we trusted it. We took it. We saw if it was going to happen or not. would play out, but it didn't. Yes. How do you spell Tradeify? Is it with the E? Yeah, E-I-F-Y. Alright, yeah, I took 2 losses today. One smaller one bigger one. Not bigger, but no news Monday, man. No news Monday. Are we still up on the month? I think I'm up like 800. Yeah, it's basically a break-even month. But $71 per account on the second trade, $168 per account on the second trade. Yeah, I mean, it was on my 5 accounts, so I mean, it is what it is. I'm kind of on a losing streak right now. Not my best month, but we're coming off of our best month. But again, it's just one of those months we're fighting to stay alive. So, I don't know. Second trade we probably could have prevented a little bit, but we trusted it. We formed that 15-minute SMT off of that hourly high. So what was it? 15-minute SMT off of that hourly high. We broke structure on the 5-minute time frame on ES. We already took out all these draws on NASDAQ, so I really thought we were just going to continue through all these, but we're going to take out Asian session lows, I guess. But again, I just think we have the opportunity to take out all this low resistance, then come up to this hourly, because this is all just sitting here. I think this is all going to get taken. If we wanted to dump, we would have dumped where we entered. So we gave it a shot, and it didn't play out. And that's really pretty much it. But price action wasn't the best today. We knew that. And that's pretty much it. This would have been the trade. This is where I cut it. So I'm going to keep this marked out to see if I regret that after. But we saw confirmation. I did it to reduce risk. We already lost, so I think that was a smart decision in my opinion as of now. So, yeah. That's all she wrote for me today, ladies. I'm on a little bit of a losing streak. But if we look at our equity curve right now, again, we're getting that little small drawdown. Hopefully we can push back up soon. We'll trade our 10 accounts tomorrow and see what we get, but not the best day again today. And we're just going to learn from it, dude. Not going to crash out, not going to do anything stupid. We followed our rules, we followed our system, we reduced risk on this loss and on the first loss. We still have $3,500 of drawdown on these accounts, but we didn't start out with them too hot. Good idea. Gonna look back at some shit, make sure we. Yeah. I mean, you gotta remember, dude. You get to a point in your trading where you can't prevent losses. It's gonna happen. I think we saw setups today. It's Monday, you know. And I feel like that's what we could just say with it. It's Monday. It's part of it. And we got stuck in the chop. So it's pretty much it. But I think the first trade was amazing, in my opinion. But I think I need to lock in a little bit more. Alright, Kick and YouTube, peace out. We'll get this posted up. Another 2-hour stream, but 2 losses today. Followed our system, followed our rules, had good risk management. We let this trade kind of do its thing. What do you want? We didn't hit our break-even level, but I ended up cutting it because we inversed this fair value gap, broke structure to the upside. We have a bunch of low resistance draws above. We have an hourly fair value gap above where we could trade into. We're sweeping out Asian session lows on this. We formed a 5-minute SMT. Yeah, I'm just going to stay away for the rest of the day and see what tomorrow presents. Capiche, capuche, adios.